Hi friends, welcome back to our Carlo and Seb channel. This is Carlo from Carlo and Seb channel. How are you doing today? Today we're going to upgrade our dining room sets, and as you can see we are using beach chairs, and then you see the article table that we just purchased. And then now we are unboxing the chairs that we got from Article. So here's the situation at home right now, that we are using, of course, the beach chairs for our Article table. So for the past, how many months? 2 months that we're using this, and we have cushions for this one because it's too low when you type and then you eat. So yeah, this one is for camping chairs, and then we do have the cushions in there. Now today's a great day because we're going to get our Article chairs. So check this video out, and then I hope that you would like it, and then yeah, so we will unbox it for you. So guys, this is the final moment. It's here. Ta-da! So we waited for how many months? Since April? Yeah. April, May, June, July, 3 months for this one. This has 6 things in it. For all these 3 boxes. We're gonna bring it upstairs and then unbox it for you guys. Yay! Our house, what are you gonna say? Our house is we're getting them together, and then it's coming along good.
Step by step, huh?
Yeah, but this one, it's hopefully it blends good with what we have already upstairs. It's all about cohesion anyways. And then let's see, we're gonna bring it upstairs, and then we'll show it to you. So he wants to be a hero, and he wants to pick it up by himself. So because he said it's too light. So yeah, are you sure you don't really want to help? I know, right? The moment of truth. So it's gonna go there. See, it's bare. Oh my gosh. This one is made in Vietnam, and it's Article. The name is Ecole dining chairs, mist gray oak. This one came from Vietnam. And yeah, ta-da! 1, 2, 3. Wow. Oh wow. Okay, do it. And then, oh my gosh. Oh, both. Wow, I already liked it. Okay, I'm going to take this out while he's doing that. So the color of this one is the same color as the chair, and then of course the table too. So yeah.
Just don't bring the package. You have a problem?
Yeah. Okay. Wow. Wow. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I hope it's not too small, too short. Okay, the moment of truth. Oh my gosh, you guys. Finally, we can sit. Let me see. Put it on the side like that. Wow. Wow. To see if it's comfortable. Yeah, approved. Oh yeah, and then the height. Wow. So this is from Article, and then it's real wood, as you can see. So yeah, the construction of it, it's really nice. We don't need to assemble it anymore. This one is somewhat the same pattern as the sofa, so lighter. And then this one is called Like I said a while ago, this one is, let's see if we will find it. So article is the new um, thing that we love aside from Louis Vuitton. And then it says on the bottom that article, it's really nice, it's sturdy, we love it. And then yeah, yay. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow, so beautiful. I like it. It has a classic mid-century schoolhouse frame that gives it a modern update with fresh, long-wearing fabrics. This is a versatile chair, features a wide, slightly curved back that provides great support for your back. It is made out of a solid and veneered American white oak, foam padded seat, and durable mist gray fabric. It has a sturdy wooden tapered legs that makes it more of a mid-century look. No assembly required on this one. The specifications for this one, it's a mid-century modern style. The general dimension is 31 inches height, 20 inches width, and 18 inches depth. I will put in the article link below so you can really just click it away if you find yourself liking this one, and if you wanna do a makeover with your dining rooms and you've preferred to have this particular chairs. That's it for today. It's a really short video. We just want to share you how much we love the article chairs that we got, and we hope that you like it too. We're sharing you what's happening, what's going on with our life here, and having a new condo and stuff like that. For more furniture unboxings, go subscribe now, comment below, and like this video. Thank you very much for all the support. We love you all. Do what makes you happy. We will see you again in the next video. Thank you very much. Bye.